name is Sarah.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Alyssa. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Ra'apa the 22nd of July.
We start today with some health and safety news. There's still mud out there, people.
If it's an outside day, please make sure you're playing in areas that are clean and relatively dry.
KiaOra O.K. to kupu O.K. wiki. This week's word is
which is te reo for darling, as in haramai, come here, darling.
No! Most students are doing the right thing, wearing their Hi Viz vest to and from school. Please do likewise.
Ra'apa is Library Day. Kick up your shoes and enjoy a good book.
The library is open from 12:40 for returns and browsing and issuing.
Remember to ask a librarian if you're not sure where the books are or are supposed to go.
And if you miss any announcements, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. A big happy birthday to Ali Bunning, turning 10 today.
And Laura Warren is turning 7.
And Joshua Short is turning the big 6.
Happy birthday, everyone. Party hard.
Yeah. And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean,